This is Cyber Chase.
Watch it.
Huh? You better not mess with that.
Wait, I just wanna... Ta-da! See? You can change the boss into a cyberplane.
You better turn that back into Hacker before he gets home.
No problem. Oops! Big problem!
Look, just get the instructions for it, and we'll fix it up.
There aren't any instructions.
No. So we'll make our own.
We will?
Yeah. Now, write down what I do.
Okay.
Push down the head. Flip up the chest. Push down the sides. Turn your bottom to the right. 4 steps and done.
Now what?
We undo what we just did. What's the last thing we did?
Step 4. Turn the bottom to the right.
We gotta do the opposite, so it's turn the bottom to the left.
Oh, I get it. Undo step 3. Push up the sides. Undo step 2. Flip down what used to be the chest. Undo step 1. Pull up the boss's head instead of pushing it down. Yay us! Buzzy, you did it! You're the best friend a Bob could ever have!
Hey, cyber fans! Did you ever get stuck like Delete? Trying to undo something you did? Write a story about it and share it with us! See you around cyberspace!
Buzzy! Keep your donuts on your side of the room!
Only if you keep your bunnies off of my side. Ugh. My side, your side.
No way! Your side's way wider than mine!
Is not,
Is too?
is not.
Prove it!
Fine. Watch this.
What are you oh! You're making a ruler! I want to help. See? I was right. Your side is 9 comics wide. Mine is only 6.
Fine. I'll take away 1. You add 1. That's better.
Nuh-uh. Now you have 8 comics, and I only have 7.
Hey!
Buzzy, look! Halvesies! Now each side is 7.5 comics wide.
You happy now, Dee Dee?
Yep, but the door's on your side.
Huh?
I'll never get out!
Hey, cyber fans! Now it's your turn. How would you mark off 2 equal halves of your room? Write a story about it and share it with us. See you around cyberspace.
I'll never win the art contest. No!
What you need to do, Buzzy, is tessellate.
Tessa what?
Tessellate. It's all right here in this book. Tessellation, the use of a single shape to cover an area without gaps or overlaps.
Okay, I'll tessellate. Let's see. A single shape. No, it's not working. No matter what I do, there's gaps.
Not all shapes can tessellate. Why don't you try a different shape?
Maybe squares will work. I did it, Dee Dee. I tessellated.
Yep. Only one problem. It's boring.
Huh? Oh, I quit.
Don't talk like that. You're not a quitter. We just have to tessellate in a more interesting way. Hey, check this out. I bet these hexagons tessellate.
Yeah, that gives me an idea.
Hey, cyber fans, now it's your turn. Find a shape that will tessellate and make a picture. Then share it with us. See you around cyberspace.
I'm hungry.
You're always hungry.
Carrot cake?
Huh?
Oh, boy! I'm gonna get a big lip smacking 1/8 piece, 'cause 8 is much, much bigger than 3.
Oh, bonjour! 1/8 for you, Monsieur Buzz. 1/3 for you, Monsieur Delete. Bon appétit, my little bots.
Hey, not so fast. That's gotta be my 1/8 piece. See? It's bigger. Let's trade.
No way! You got the piece you asked for.
I did not. I'll prove it to you. My tiny little piece goes here, and your great big piece goes here. So this cake's gotta be the one with the 1/8 pieces.
So, how come it's cut into 1, 2, 3 pieces, but this one is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces?
You mean my 1/8 piece came from a cake cut into 8 equal pieces?
Looks like it.
And your 1/3 piece came from a cake cut into only 3 equal pieces? No wonder your piece is bigger.
You got it, Buzzy.
And I got something else. The bigger piece.
Hey, cyber fans, those fractions sure gave Buzz a big surprise. Did fractions ever surprise you? Write a story about it and share it with us. See you around cyberspace.